Right. Winchester. Model 1911 SL. Very interesting shotgun. As I've researched about the history and background of this shotgun, found it very interesting. Lots of interesting facts. There is not a lot of collector value to this shotgun, surprisingly, which the thing that makes that surprising to me is that this shotgun, beautifully made shotgun, very big shotgun. It's got I got a crack in my stock here, some old tape there holding it together. A very long shotgun, very nice shotgun in my opinion. But there was only 82,744 of these rifles manufactured by Winchester, and they were made from the year 1911 to 1925. So in 2025, this is a 100-year-old shotgun. 100-year-old Winchester. Possibly over 100 years old. The end of this month, come January 1st, 2026, it'll be over 100 officially, if it's not already. But self-loading shotgun, very few produced, and self-loading. I never knew. I have a video shooting the shotgun, and it still shoots. It does fine. There was a problem with this gun in the early years. It's a little unsafe. It's a textured spot right here on the barrel. You grab it and you pump it. Watch it. You push down on the barrel. Like that. But to do that, in doing that action there that I just did, many people hurt themselves, put themselves in front of the barrel of this shotgun, and ended up causing themselves some severe harm or even death in some cases. But I mean, that's common sense. Don't get in the front of it, you know. But I'm sure it happens. But awesome shotgun. I love it. It's a semi-automatic shotgun. I've never seen one that you pump the barrel on, but I find it quite interesting. It's got some scrapes and bruises, but this is probably one of my favorite guns in my possession, and probably the rarest as well. But 100 years old, semi-automatic shotgun, Winchester, model 1911, self-loading SL. Beautiful gun. I do have another video where this gun is being shot, and it still shoots. It does just fine. But I just figured I'd do a little more in-depth video on the background and history of this gun. And and it's a lot to learn from this gun. Winchester lost money on every one of these guns that was made. That's why there were so few of them made. But I'm very happy to have one of the almost 83,000 made, and 83,000 is a lot. That's a high number, but when you're talking about 83,000 guns made for all of America back in 1911 to 1925, that compared to the numbers we have on guns today, there being more firearms than citizens in the United States, 83,000 don't begin to touch the numbers. But by the time I'm an old man, this will be about 150 going on 200 years old, and maybe then it'll have some collector's value. But I just wanted to share what I had been learning about my Winchester Model 1911 SL, and I just wanted to share with the community. I appreciate everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.